Macs and iPhones do not have Miracast, but instead Airplay built inside. However, screen sharing with Airplay does not give touch functionality on the touchscreen. Hence, you will not have the ability to control your Mac or iPhone using touch on the T7. Moreover, the touchscreen and your device need to be on the same network. For more information on what that means, I recommend watching the first video on one-screen share. The link is in the description. Before using Airplay for the first time, we must turn on the Support Airplay Device option inside the one-screen share settings on your touchscreen. Then, note the device ID on the one-screen shares window as we will need it in the upcoming steps. On your Mac, open the Control Center and click on the screen mirroring icon. Now, click on the one-screen device you want to cast your display to. In some cases, the Mac might also ask you to enter a 4-digit code. Select the Mirror Built-in Retina Display option to duplicate the Mac's display on the L7 and the Use as Separate Display option to use the L7 as an extended monitor. On your iPhone, drop down the Control Center and press and hold this icon. Airplay will automatically scan for devices that it can connect to. Press on the one screen to start screen sharing.